And Pietro Batistella joins us now, an Italian affairs expert at APCO Worldwide. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
So tell us, what's on the agenda for the three leaders?
Well, the issues on the table are quite complex and delicate ones. They are talking about investments, they're talking about security, and of course, they are talking about Brexit, which means how Europe will look like in 10 years, in 20 years. So delicate and complex issues. And let me also underline the symbolic value of the meeting. You know, the island of Ventotene is a small island in front of Italy. About 70 years ago, the European founders, fathers like Altiero Spinelli wrote the Manifesto for Europe. In that very island was a manifesto that outlined how Europe will have been developed over the years. So that's the strong symbolic elements. And also talking about symbols, which is something that Prime Minister Renzi really cares of. Talking about symbols, it's quite ironic how such a meeting actually place, yes, on an island, but then the actual meeting takes place on an aircraft carrier. And that explains a lot of the complex times that Europe is going through.
Indeed, which brings me to my next question. In terms of the migrants, the Italian Coastal Guard has been working overtime, to say the least. Are other EU nations living up to their responsibilities?
That's something that is being discussed. I mean, the migrant crisis has been on the Italian table for probably 10 years, and only over the last couple of years it's become something discussed in Brussels. So the feeling here is that European Union still is not doing still is not doing enough for the migrant crisis. For sure, that's something that Renzi has pointed out today. He asked for a more European-wide approach on this issue.
Indeed. Pietro Batistella, thank you very much for this.